Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Happy Mother's Day. Mother's Day. So we went to this restaurant. We usually do not go to restaurant that often, but Mother's Day it's a special. So we came to this place. We heard it's a newly opened, but actually it opened already one year. That barista told me, and this is called the Stand. It's a typical American, or they call it redefined American food, and there is such a good vibe, good energy. The food is generous, is solid, and very, very original. And you feel this is American food, but not but. This is American food, and it's a very, very solid and generous and just heartfelt American food. It's delicious, it's hearty, it's tasty. There is a sports bar, there is a big screen icon, there is the fountain. You can fill up your cup. Anyway, it's everything just right. I feel so good, and it's so very delicious, the food. And the vegetable is lemon broccoli. Before going there, I said, oh, broccoli and lemon, they can never marry together. But it's actually quite good. It's a piece of lemon wedge on the side. You can decide to put or not. And that lemon is grilled. A little bit citrus and saltiness, and just right. And another thing is green bean, red ginger green bean, and that is it's outstanding. Out of I only have a few choice, but out of our choice, this is really good. And the burger and sandwich, the onion soup sandwich or onion soup burger, very good. Another, all of them, I do not know the name, but you will go there and enjoy and have fun, and just want to tell you the name, the Stand. So much fun. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Yeah, bye. Bon appetit.